Hello, and welcome to this brief guide to the Unicaf auto pre-registration. Let's take a quick look at how you, as a student, can confirm your auto pre-registration and make sure you're ready to begin your module. All you need to do is follow the simple steps. Ready? Here we go. Step 1. Check your account balance. The auto pre-registration system will automatically register you for the next available module as soon as at least 40% of the module price is available in your account. Once that's done, you're almost there. Step 2. Look out for an automated email. After pre-registration, you'll receive an automated email from us. Step 3. Confirm your pre-registration. You have two options. Click Confirm to register for the module, or click Cancel if you decide not to join at this time. Important note, if you don't respond to this email, your registration will be automatically canceled when pre-registrations close for this module. So, don't miss out. Make sure you take action. Click Confirm. Step 4. Log in and confirm pre-registration. After you click Confirm, you'll be redirected to the login page, where you'll need to complete one more step. Step 5. Your pre-registration information will load automatically. Here, all you need to do is click the Confirm Pre-registration button to secure your place in the module. And that's it. Simple. You're now all set to begin your learning journey. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team. We're here to help. Good luck with your studies.